Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Production and Industrial Engineering paper. Question number 29 is three principal stresses at a point in a material are 300 MPa, 250 MPa, and 100 MPa. If the yielding just starts at that point, the yield strength in MPa of the material as per Tresca criteria is answer in integer. So according to Tresca criteria, sigma max or maximum principal stress minus sigma mean or minimum principal stress divided by 2 should be equal to sigma yield by 2. So sigma max for sigma 1 here is 300 and minimum is 100. So sigma yield comes out as 203. Sigma max is 300 and minimum is 100. So answer is 200 MPa according to Tresca criteria.